Hi guys, Carlos here for another penny stock video where I'll be digging through a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that has new generation drug candidates for anxiety, depression and other CNS disorders, and the analysts are very bullish. But before that, just let me share an update about another pharma stock that I bought some weeks ago and shared here on my channel. The stock is ANVS, and by the time I published the video, the stock was trading around $28. Today, the company announced results of an interim analysis from study of ANVS 401 for the treatment of Parkinson's disease. The results shown that ANVS 401 improves speed and coordination in Parkinson's patients, and so shares rallied 33% on the market open, reaching a 52-week all-time high of $47.99. Well, I took advantage of this jump and took some profits, but there might be more good news ahead, as in May the company will release results of ANVS 401 concerning Alzheimer's disease. And the full study data, including a dose-ranging analysis, is expected for June or July of this year. So if you're not a subscriber yet, feel free to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my coming stock picks. The company for this video is VistaGen Therapeutics Inc, ticker VTGN, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing a new generation of novel medicines for anxiety, depression and other central nervous system disorders, primarily through nasal sprays. The stock is trading at $2.28 and the Wall Street analysts are very bullish with a price target of $6.50. VTGN's pipeline includes 3 differentiated new generation CNS drug candidates: PH94B nasal spray for anxiety disorders, PH10 nasal spray for depression disorders, and the AV101 for depression and neurological disorders. VistaGen's lead therapeutic, PH94B, had compelling phase 2 data, and the FDA has granted fast-track designation for treatment of acute social anxiety disorder. So PH94B could become the first FDA-approved treatment for acute SAD. The company is now aiming to initiate recruitment for a pivotal phase 3 study in the second quarter of 2021. Because of that, on February 2021, Jefferies initiated coverage with a buy rating and price target of $6. On January, the stock has also been upgraded by William Blair from market perform to outperform. The other 2 drug candidates are still in phase 2 studies. PH10 is now preparing for a phase 2b clinical trial for major depressive disorder, and the AV101 is being tested in a phase 2 trial in combination with oral probenecid for major depressive disorder. I believe management team is also very capable. CEO Sean Singh is a veteran biotechnology professional with over 30 years of experience across the entire healthcare spectrum, including biotechnology firms, VC funds, medical device companies, pharmaceutical enterprises, and more. In December 2020, VistaGen announced the expansion of its R&D team by including Dr. Louis Monti, a pioneer in neuroactive steroids, a potential treatment for anxiety and depression disorders. At the moment, the company has around $100 million in cash and almost no revenues. Last year, the company burned through $9.6 million, so cash should be sufficient to keep VistaGen's liquidity up through the phase 3 process and into NDA submission for FDA approval. The biggest short-term catalyst is surely the initiation of PH94B's phase 3 study, planned for the second quarter of 2021, which could drive stock price up. Then, interim results are expected only in the first half of 2022, and that's where the great midterm potential resides, if the results turn to be positive. So there's no need to chase the stock here, and if you're tempted to invest in VTGN, you can wait for a future market pullback like the one that just happened in early March. where some stocks lost 20 to 30% of its value. I currently don't own any VistaGen shares, but it's already in my watch list for a possible investment in the next market downturn. Last but not least, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own research before investing in any stock. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to smash that like button to support the channel. Wish you the best and thanks for watching.